Say hello. Yeah, buddy. Hi. Hi. Give me a smile. Hi. Hi. Say hi, Mom. Say hi. Can you talk for the camera? Yes. Tell me a story, buddy. Tell me how your day is going. Oops, there was a squirt. Hi. Are you pooping? Are you pooping? I think you are very, very loudly. You feel better now? Do you feel better? Yeah? We're going to show this to Dad, and Dad's going to laugh so hard. Did you say uh-oh? Say uh-oh. Yeah. Can you say hi? Say hi. Say hi. Oh, you're just so excited about it, huh? Say hello. I love you. Mama loves you. All right, I'm going to change your diaper.